Welcome back to another BUC-EE'S construction update video. Today's Friday, February 7th, 2025. It's a week to Valentine's Day, Sonia. Do you have my present picked out yet?
You're looking at her.
That's all I need. Typically, we come down here on a weekend, a Saturday or a Sunday, but we had the afternoon off and we had some things to take care of down around Dayton, so we stopped in here on a Friday afternoon. It's about 5 o'clock when we filmed this video. And I will say that typically we're down here on the weekends when things are pretty slow. It's very busy down here Friday at 5. And I can only imagine how the traffic's going to increase when that BUC-EE'S opens up based on what we saw down here this afternoon.
Oh yeah, with the businesses around the area getting off work, and probably just the traffic in general coming from New Carlisle.
And then the added BUC-EE'S traffic.
Yes,
it's going to be a lot. We put the drone up, and there's work going on all over the site. The fuel tanks, they've made some progress there. The power line relocation, they've made progress there. There's a lot of work going on out there where the foundation of the building is going to be. There's even some work going on over by the pond. So they're quite busy out there right now, and
a lot of live action showing today.
Which I think that makes for a more interesting video if you can actually see some of the construction equipment working out there.
Yeah, it's more fun to watch. You can look around at all kinds of different things that they're trying to do and maybe figure out what they're doing.
Yeah, and if anyone out there knows construction better than us, which we are not construction experts, drop a comment and let us know what they're doing out there, what the different jobs are working for, and the different processes they have to go through. And we'd love to have people give us some input to help bridge the knowledge gap that we don't have for construction.
We're just showing you a really cool video.
But one thing, when we got here, they have a street cleaner that they were running up and down 235 here to get all the mud and dirt off.
Rocks.
Yeah, so you'll probably see it in some of the drone footage, depending on what I use, but big plumes of dust where this cleaner was going up and down the road. So I give them credit, at least they're trying to keep it clean around here with all the bad weather and rain. I'm sure that, it's a mess in there. And when those trucks come out here from making deliveries or whatever they're going in and out for, they just really mess this road up with mud and dirt and rocks.
Yeah, you just can't help it.
Yeah, so
it's part of the process.
But they are doing their best to keep it clean, so we give them credit for that.
Yes.
Well, that's going to do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with all the BUC-EE'S construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
We've added this drawing that was displayed at the grand opening last August to help you visualize the site that you see today compared to what the final design is supposed to look like.